This is at the University of Iowa garage. Here we go. These are glass. Here's the hospital. Jeez, listen to that. It's loud. Counterweight. We'll watch out the door. It's a very slow door. I have a big old bruise on my arm. I don't even know what it's from. It's from moving something. Very neat. I think 2 is where I started.
Second floor.
We'll send it down to the lobby, watch it go down. There's this one. Oh, there's something I want to show you. There's something I want to show you with this elevator. There it goes. And look, this one, you'll see, says ThyssenKrupp on it. It's a ThyssenKrupp. But no, it's not. It's a Kone. So why does it say ThyssenKrupp on it? That's weird. Anyway, that will be it.